Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove reposted videos on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat is an app that lets you send images, videos, and message to friends. There's also Discover and Spotlight feeds where creator brands and other accounts share videos that anyone with an account can watch. And also on Snapchat you can repost video. I've shown you on my previous video about how to repost video on your Snapchat. But now, what if you want to remove the reposted videos from your Snapchat account? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, to help open our Snapchat, and if you want to post video on Snapchat, you can just select on here to repost it. Now, if you want to remove the reposted video, it's very simple. You can just go to your profile. From your profile, you can just scroll down. You can go to my favorites and repost. You can select on that. Can view all. Now you can just choose on the videos that you want to remove from your repost. For example, I want to remove this one. Now, to remove it from your reposted video, you can just remove it like this. This one. You can tap on the reposted icon. So now you have removed that videos from your reposted videos on Snapchat. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove videos from your reposted videos on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.